2, 3.
He did it?
Do it.
Wait. Ready?
Ryan.
He has no blocks to throw. Ryan.
Let me get that toy.
Wait, hold on.
Toy.
He wants another one to throw. Ready? Oh. Oops, careful, Win. Careful. Come on. Right here. Come on. Yeah. Get it? Ready? Say cheese, Ryan, cheese.
What is that?
Yeah, it's a cheese face. Cheese! I can't every time. Ready? Cheese! I can't.
Ryan.
Ryan. Kaylin. Ryan. Go, put it so you can get it. Come on. Over here. Go. Get up so you can take a break. Ready? Ryan. Cheese.
Get down.
Kaylin, you gotta get down though. You're out of the picture. Ready? Ryan. Here, try to lay down. Oh, look, here's another one, Ryan. Here, you can throw all of this out. Go ahead, throw the lid. Do what you do best. Toss it.
Mickey, how's that tall?
Oh my God, I got like 5 pictures. I'm like, did he just throw that?
No.
Oh, that was Kaden. No, you don't throw, let him throw.
Go, Ryan. Tell him.
Ready? Ryan. Cheese. No, he's into throwing the toys right now. Ryan. Cheese. No, he's out of it.
Am I in it?
Yeah, you're in it, but...
Smacker. Dale, papá. Ryan. What? What's that?
Music? Picture you sent me?
I send you?
Why is it to my phone?
Why it came out so small?
I gotta go like this in order to see it.
That's how you send it, Linda. You're supposed to send it to you when it's a full size, not small.
Hey! See you, Jiggy-Digo! Yay! Say cheese!
Dive about! The papao! Papao! Dive about! Not you. You're nodding. All right. I'm stopping it.